Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 dollhouses. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Dive into the whimsical world of DIY with the cute Bee DIY Book Nook kit for adults. This miniature house kit, designed as an eternal bookstore, will transport you to a cozy library setting complete with a warm fireplace, charming dog companion, and shelves filled with books. The unique design concept of this kit includes intricate details like exquisite wall lamps, oil painting frames, and retro candles that add a touch of elegance to your miniature world. As you assemble this kit step by step following the color manual, you'll not only enjoy a fun DIY experience but also develop engineering skills in a creative way. Suitable for individuals over 14 years old, the DIY Book Nook is a perfect project for bonding with teenagers and adults alike. Once completed, this bookshelf decor becomes more than just a project. It transforms into an exquisite decoration that brightens up any room with its vibrant scenes and sunny mood. For a touch of elegance in your child's playtime, the Kidcraft Charlotte Classic Dollhouse is a top pick. This dollhouse is not only beautifully designed but also made of premium, sustainable materials, ensuring durability for endless play sessions. With easy assembly that can be done in under an hour, setting up this dollhouse is a breeze for parents. The fully furnished interior includes 14 pieces of furniture and accessories that bring warmth and texture to the house, creating a realistic play environment. Standing at over 4 feet tall with 4 levels, 2 balconies, and 6 rooms including an adorable attic nursery, this dollhouse offers plenty of space for imagination to flourish. The southern charm of this dollhouse is evident with its grand staircase, scalloped details, pastel colors, and open windows, adding a touch of refinement and antiquity to playtime. Let your child's imagination run wild with the Cabak wooden dollhouse playset. This 3-story dream house villa kit comes with a sunroom, balcony, and 13 accessories to keep your little one entertained for hours. The stylish design of this playset not only provides fun for children but also adds a touch of elegance to your interior decor. Made of durable pine wood and EP2 level MDF board, this dream house is safe for kids to play with. Measuring 33.75 L x 11.75 W x 34.25 H, this dollhouse is suitable for ages 3 and up, helping them develop intelligence, hand-eye coordination, cleanliness, and creativity along the way. Get ready for endless hours of imaginative play with the Cabak wooden dollhouse playset. Afton from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "It's pretty and solid." Let's dive into the enchanting world of the Robotime wooden dollhouse shopping mall-themed dollhouse. This captivating dollhouse features a bustling shopping mall theme with 6 charming mini-shops, offering a wide range of play possibilities. The magical lights and music add an extra layer of wonder to each floor, allowing your child to create different atmospheres at the touch of a button. With interactive play elements like a starlit pool, barbecue area, and adjustable lighting, your child's imagination will soar as they explore the 3 stories of this dollhouse. And let's not forget the detailed miniature accessories that bring the shopping mall experience to life, from tiny shopping carts to lifelike bridal gowns. This Robotime dollhouse is not just a toy, it's a magical world waiting to be discovered by girls ages 3 and up. Looking for a fun and creative project to work on? The Lifee Miniature House Kit is the perfect choice for adults who love building and crafting. This kit, featuring Kiki's Magic Emporium, comes with everything you need to create a cute mini Book Nook dollhouse. With detailed furniture and accessories that mimic a real house, this 1/24 scale DIY kit offers a colorful instruction manual with step-by-step pictures to guide you through the assembly process. Once completed, the artwork truly comes alive, especially when illuminated in the dark. Not only is this kit a great way to spark creativity and imagination, but it also makes for a unique and thoughtful gift for friends and family. Made from safe and non-toxic materials, this educational toy encourages hands-on building and painting, providing hours of entertainment. Let your artistic side shine as you paint, stick, assemble, and glue together each piece to bring this magical house to life. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 doll houses. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.